Hey guys, welcome back to Scooter Ops Virtual e-scooter repair shop. I'm your host Chris. Today we're fixing a HiBoy X300, the front flat. So for the same client, the tires have been suspicious and we're fixing the front tire for this client. This goes along with our flat tire series for fixing e-scooters. Check out our Skool page. And yeah, so we also have a live Q&A on Twitch going. So what model e-scooter are you working on today, big dog? That's a great question, Fumbler. We are working on the HiBoy X300, the front flat this time. This is the front tire. So get out your toolbox, bring the scooter to screen. Also, thanks to Snake Clamp Products, we're able to make a better video today. So today's video will be much higher quality than my other videos because I can get a ubiquitous view of the wheel in question. So without further ado, let's bring the scooter to scene. We are ready to go here. Keyboard and mouse away. Toolbox out. This will be part one of the series. This will be part one of the series where we remove the wheel and then we order the tube. And also we will be showing part two later where we put the tire back on. Okay, so again, thanks to Snake Clamp Products, we're able to do something like this. Okay, and we can get the whole wheel here on camera, hopefully. There we go. Look at that. There we go. Okay, so you can't see it, but this is actually a pretty big wheel. Okay, it's a 12-inch by 2.5-inch wheel here, and we're able to get it on the camera. And yeah, so the first thing we have to do is you can see it's flat here. We have to remove these socket cap hex head lug nuts. Okay, so sometimes there's not enough room to get in here. You have to use a socket wrench, but we can use a regular adjustable wrench today. We'll start there. Okay, adjustable wrench. Hopefully it's not stripped or nothing. Nope, it's coming right off. Come on, baby. Okay. Another thing, guys, don't forget your tin to put everything you remove into the container. Okay, so container there, nut goes in the container. Okay, so this looks like an easily removable wheel here actually. We can just flip the scooter around. So we almost lost the washer there. I'm gonna grab that off the floor. Very important, guys, don't lose anything. This washer fell off, but we got that, okay. Other side, adjustable wrench. Don't even need it, it's so loose. Okay, so nut. Oh, actually the whole wheel's just coming right off, look at that. Look at that. Very easy to repair this model. Okay, the wheel is already removed from the scooter. Don't lose your washer. Got like a little colander that fell off as well. Whole axle comes off this model. Just put it right in your tin cup. Okay. Another colander. We can actually put the scooter on the shelf. And work with just the wheel. So look at that, we already have the wheel off. Angled valve stem in a 12.5. A 12, let's look at it. 12 by 2.5. Wheel size. Okay, don't lose your cap. Okay. I like to take the disc brake off. We're working with a 4 hex wrench here. I'm going to remove the disc brake. Going to make our lives easier. Okay. Six screws go into the tin. Okay. Disc brake should come right off. Okay, now you're working with just the wheel. Okay, grab your tire spoons. One, two, three. Let's work this tire off and see what the problem was. Now it's a large wheel, so breaking the bead ain't that bad. Okay. Get two in. Third one in. Go right around. Wheels off. Excuse me, tire is off the wheel. Let's pull that old sucky tube out of there. Look at that, it's holding air, it seems. Let's test it. Plug in your inflator. Okay. This tube's holding air. We're going to put a new one in anyway. Client wants a new tube, we give him a new tube. This tube has a little bit thicker rubber anyway. So yeah, that's pretty much the first half of this front flat wheel fix for the HiBoy X300. So we'll see you in the next video where we film part 2. Thanks, guys. Again, this was Chris with Scooter Operations, the e-scooter virtual repair shop. Stay tuned for part 2, where we put the wheel and Humpty Dumpty back together.